Positive affirmations for health and healing. 0014. To get the most out of this recording. 0017. Listen to it every day for 21 days in a row, or as long as it continues to serve you. 0026. In this audio, I'll recite each affirmation. Then 0030. In the space that follows, repeat it back to yourself, either out loud or in your mind. 0037. Let's begin. 0041. I am healthy. 0048. I am perfect, whole, and complete. 0058. I choose to be healthy. 106. I choose to be vibrant. 115. I choose to be whole. 124. Every cell in my body vibrates with life-giving energy. 139. My mind is sharp. 147. My body is in perfect working order.